Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, revolutionary pants or jacket number 2 unveiled, the ultimate hybrid garment for the spring 2025 wardrobe. Figi Atelier introduced the pants or jacket number 2, crafted from hand-dyed cotton khaki, blurring traditional fashion boundaries. This versatile piece offered a unique approach to functionality and style, catering to dynamic and adaptable wardrobes. The garment came with a detailed size guide, including an option for custom sizing, ensuring a perfect fit for each individual. The customization option aligned with the fashion tech trend, merging traditional craftsmanship with modern technology to deliver personalized and high-quality clothing experiences. News source, Figi Atelier. Barcode Fashion Beats. The Barcodress Revolution by Electronicos Fantasticos. Electronicos Fantasticos revolutionized the concept of electronic music by repurposing everyday electronics into innovative musical instruments. Their creations included the Barcodress, integrating barcode scanners into interactive apparel for unique sound manipulation through movement. With performances and installations, the collective meshed art with technology, turning discarded consumer products like TVs and fans into auditory and visual spectacles. The use of barcode technology in fashion, notably the Barcodress, spotlighted an intersection of technology and textiles, suggesting future possibilities for garments that not only adapt but also interact with their environment. News source, Electronicos Fantasticos. Meet Kling AI's virtual try-on is changing the game. Kling AI unveiled a game-changing virtual try-on feature, transforming how we visualize and customize fashion, making it possible to see outfits on AI-generated models before creation. The tool offered unprecedented detail in garment visualization, from how fabrics flow to pattern accuracy, pushing the boundaries of digital fashion. Retailers and designers found a revolutionary platform, reducing returns and boosting customer satisfaction by allowing shoppers to experiment with styles virtually. By seamlessly integrating AI with fashion technology, Kling AI's virtual try-on service revolutionized the online shopping experience, marrying innovation with practicality to redefine personal style exploration. News source, Project Raylo. Amazon gets FAA approval for new delivery drone as it begins tests in Arizona. Amazon achieved a milestone with FAA approval to fly its new delivery drone, promising quieter operations with extended range and all-weather capability. The Mark 30 model commenced trial flights in Arizona, showcasing the potential to seamlessly merge cutting-edge drone delivery into Amazon's vast logistics network. Enhancements included longer-distance flights beyond the pilot's line of sight, a nod towards more efficient, autonomous delivery systems. In the realm of fashion technology, this advancement could lead to faster, more precise delivery of fashion items, reducing wait times and revolutionizing the online shopping experience. News source, CNBC. Xpeng modular flying car will reach the United States to debut at CES 2025. Last November, Xpeng Aero HT successfully conducted the first public flight of its modular flying car, the land aircraft carrier, at the Shanghai Airshow, highlighting advancements in personal air travel. The vehicle, designed with a detachable aircraft capable of 5 to 6 flights on a full charge, showcased a 3-axle mothership that serves as an extended-range electric vehicle. Set to debut at CES 2025 in Las Vegas, this innovative model has captured widespread attention with over 2,000 pre-orders, paving the way for its mass production scheduled for 2026. Integrating such aerospace technologies into fashion, designers could foresee new types of wearable tech that adapt for air travel comfort and efficiency, envisioning garments engineered to support mobility at varied altitudes, pressures, and speeds. News source, Car News China. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.